There comes a moment in life when you realize that growth doesn't always come from doing more. Sometimes it comes from doing nothing at all. From stillness, from silence, from allowing your body and mind to simply be. Fasting is one of those rare human experiences where less truly becomes more. It's not about starving yourself or punishing your body. It's about creating space. Space for healing. Space for clarity. Space for your true energy to return. When you go without food for several hours, something remarkable begins inside you. Your cells awaken. They start repairing, removing old waste, and building new life. This natural process is called autophagy, your body's silent renewal system, a quiet miracle that has been working within us since the beginning of time. It's your body's way of saying, "Let me take care of you for a while." During this time, your energy shifts, your mind becomes clearer, your senses sharpen, your spirit feels lighter. Hunger, once an enemy, becomes a teacher, reminding you that strength isn't found in constant consumption, but in the courage to pause. Each hour you fast isn't lost time. It's transformation in motion. Your body moves from feeding to healing, from surviving to thriving. You learn patience, you discover discipline, and you begin to appreciate the quiet intelligence that lives within every cell of your being. This is where true energy comes from. Not from caffeine, not from sugar, but from balance, from rhythm, and from trust in the body that already knows what to do. Yes, it's not always easy. There will be moments when you feel weak, when your mind whispers, "Just give up." But every wave of discomfort carries renewal on the other side. The body that created you already knows how to heal you. It just needs time and your trust. So fast not to punish yourself, but to honor yourself, to give back what you've taken for granted. Drink water, rest deeply, and listen, really listen, to your body's quiet wisdom. The stillness that fasting brings is not emptiness. It's power. It's the sacred space where clarity grows, where energy regenerates, and where your truest self begins to shine again. Because in the end, the goal isn't just to live longer, it's to live lighter. And sometimes, all it takes is a little hunger, a little faith, and a lot of trust in the beautiful design that already knows the way to your renewal. Stay mindful, stay strong. And remember, your body knows how to heal. All it asks is a little time.
Please subscribe to MindUplift channel and like our video for more positive thinking.